Automation solutions from Afag. More than motion.
Are you choosing a free pallet conveyor system for your applications? Do you need to receive the conveyors already assembled and ready for use and saving time? Today, I will tell you about LTS system. I'm Giuseppe Poletto and I'm guiding you through the world of automation according to Afag. The LTS is a linear transfer system that offers individual system configuration options with maximum user and retrofitting flexibility. Small, large, and heavy work pieces can be transported. Buffer zones between workstations reduce standstill times during system interruption. With our LTS standard kit, you will always be able to design a perfect system. You also have some advantages. Use the LTS. Long service life and safety in the production process, maximum users and conversion flexibility in system configuration, freely available CAD drawings for optimum integration in your projects, on schedule, short delivery times, clear prices due to the modular structure, pre-assembly by Afag, very simple installation and commissioning at the customer side. All components are pre-assembled. So with Afag LTS system, the problem of transporting your piece is solved. I'll see you next week with another solution from the world of Afag.